All right. As Pukki from the base said, it's our first time in Lyon. It's wonderful to be here. Thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, we want to introduce to you the sixth Seagull. Ladies and gentlemen, over there in the middle of you is our sound engineer from Kärsämäki, Finland, Antti Laitila. Hyvä. Come on. This next song takes us to the 90s. To the time when Hiltunen was running around in his underwear and being a little Hiltunen. Not much has changed since.